It's the Hunger Games.
The Hunger Games. Because I'm a full-time caregiver for my dad. Probably never gonna be able to catch to repair this dock. He's in a wheelchair and can't come out here. You guys can help me repair it. Subscribe, like, and follow. Let me just kind of show you what's going on here. Over time, this has kind of gotten rotten out and eaten away by the weather. Someone came down to cut through and kind of help out, but they broke the dock and kind of just left it. Still charged, but all that's grown through. It used to be totally blank. I need to cut through all that. I'm trying to do some of it myself, but it takes a lot of time. Look at all these guys. They would love it if we had a new dog and someone out here feeding them and recording them all the time. My dad would love to come out here. Fine. Look at them over there. They're missing out.